Okay guys, this time I want to show you how to fix your black screen display capture at OBS on your laptop that using NVIDIA. This often happens to computers or laptops that use NVIDIA VGA. This is the steps. The first step, right click over the OBS Studio icon, then pick properties. After that you can go to compatibility checklist. Check this compatibility mode. Check this compatibility mode and then pick Windows 7. Pick this Windows 7. After that you can apply and then OK. The second step is go to NVIDIA control panel. We got loading here. After the control panel open, you can pick this manage 3D setting. Go to manage 3D setting, then go to program setting, and then click this add. Find the OBS application. If you cannot find the application, you can click this browse. Go to System C and then open the program files. Find the OBS Studio folder right here, and then open bin folder. Then open click this OBS 32 if you use a Windows 32-bit right here, and then open, and then click open. After that you can go to global setting, pick this preferred graphics processor, and then choose this integrated graphics. If you have chosen integrated graphics, you can apply. Just click apply and then close. Then you open your Windows, your OBS Studios. After that, after you open, you go restart your OBS. Close, and then open again your OBS. Okay guys, I hope this tutorial can help you fix your problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.